Hi, beautiful. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be organizing and decorating my vanity. If you've been following my channel, you would have seen where I fit this vanity up. It's from Amazon. I will put the link in the description to this vanity if you're interested in buying it from Amazon. And I did a whole video where I unboxed it and set it up myself. So now it's time to organize and decorate. So first things first, I gotta clean off the vanity and I'm using just some paper towel and Old English furniture oil. I will put the link to this in the description as well, so you know what I'm using. By the way, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you do not miss a video from me. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you stopped by and I hope that you'll stick and stay until the end of the video. And even better, I hope you will subscribe and become part of my channel. So I cleaned all the surfaces and then I'm going into the drawers to make sure they are clean and smelling good because we're going to pack some makeup stuff in these babies. I love to organize. What about you? So after I did that, you know, the paper towel will leave little particles on the vanity. So I'm using my duster to just dust it off. I don't know what those white spots are, but now it's time for me to put my stuff on here. And this, I'm starting off with a candle. I'm just thinking of sitting, doing my makeup and just have my candle going. This is from Mainstay. I bought it at Walmart. And I have these three little flowers. Guess what, guys? I made these little pots to look the way they look right now. I did that myself. I sprayed them with some gold spray and then I put that strip of diamond stones or whatever around them using a hot glue gun. Those I got from Dollar Tree. This is also from Walmart. How can I decorate and organize my vanity without putting a plant? And then I decided that for this shelf, I'm going to be putting all my setting sprays and facial mist on here. These are my favorite facial sprays and stuff. And I have my foundation. This is the one that I'm using now. It's from L'Oreal. I absolutely love L'Oreal. This right here is a gel, a high frequency gel, which I hardly ever use. And then I'm adding my moisturizers, my serums, and my face treatments. I'm putting all of those on this shelf. If you want to see the link to some of these products, I will definitely put them in the description box. And how can I forget about my eyeliner, pencils, and my lipsticks? This vanity came with this lipstick holder and it is so handy. I just stack all of my lip liners, eyeliners in there, and my lip products. And it holds a lot, I must say. This, I decided that I was gonna check out Temu. They kept on sending me emails and I've never bought anything from them. So I said, let me get some cheap little organizers for my vanity. That one wasn't so bad. This one that I'm opening up right now is a makeup brush holder. So you will see that feel what it looks like. Again, this is from Temu. I will talk a little bit more about this when I am, highlighting the product. I will let you know my thoughts. As you can see, it is not a high quality product. It's my first time buying from Temu, and I must say that I am not interested in buying anything at all from Temu anymore. And I would not recommend this. It is so weak and useless. I think I'm just gonna take it off my vanity time. This is my makeup brush washing machine. I absolutely love it. It's from Shein. And this acrylic organizer, I picked it up in Burlington. It's really nice. It has two compartments. That acrylic holder is also from Burlington, that as well. And then this first one that I showed you, as I said, is from Temu. So I'm just adding in my makeup brushes in the week-old makeup brush holder, which I do not like and I regret buying. Yeah, so I just put my brushes in there. Of course, they look dirty because I used them before once. I did my makeup once with them, so I just put them in there. But this, I am gonna start my cotton rounds in there. I use these cotton rounds morning and night to use my toner. And for this acrylic organizer, I decided I'm gonna put Q-tips and cotton buds. So I have my Q-tips in the bottom, and on the top, I'm gonna put my cotton buds. I use Q-tips like when I'm doing my makeup. It's really handy to like use it for stuff to remove stuff, and I use it like when I'm painting my nails to clean up the edges. For the cotton buds, I use those for removing nail polish. In here, I'm just gonna drop my beauty blenders. I need to get rid of some of these beauty blenders. A lot of these I bought them from Shop Miss A, and I'm thinking I should get some new ones. Also, my triangle makeup pads or puffs or whatever you want to call them. And I have a lot of makeup sponges, so I'm just stacking those in there. And this cute little mirror thing, I got it at Five Below. Yes, it's a phone holder and it also has a mirror. So as you can see, I added a piece of paper towel so that will catch my makeup fallout whenever I'm doing my makeup. I got this set of acrylic organizers on Amazon. Of course, the link will be in the bio. Yes, there are a lot of pieces in there, and I'm just thinking how I'm gonna use these in the drawers to organize my makeup. But as I go along, you'll see how I put them to good use. And I really love this set. I would definitely recommend this if you want to use it to organize. It's really handy, really worth the money. I'm just unwrapping all the plastic and papers and whatnot from the pieces. Yeah, so let's just speed up the video so we can get to the good part where we put them in the drawers and add products to them. As you can see, there are different sizes. I put those one, two, three, four different sizes that came in this set. These pieces I'm showing now, they are the biggest sizes in this set. Really love it, really would recommend. So the link will be in the bio, in the description. Sorry, I'm so used to saying link in bio. It's the link. The links will be in the description, people. If you watch YouTube, you know what I'm talking about. So just check the description for the links to the products I'm showing in this video. So onto the first drawer. I'm just putting in some of these containers, and I decided I'm gonna put all my eye products. So I've got some tweezers and whatever I used to define my brows, I put right there, and then I have some brow products right here, brow soap, brow powders, and brow gel. I have a lot of mascara ones. All my mascaras, I'm putting some mascaras in there, and then I have these eyeliners. I'm just putting all of those. So this drawer will basically be for my eye products. Here I have some lash glue, lash liner plus glue. Yeah, brow pencil and eyeliner. Of course, I have some eye primers, glitter primer. So it's just eye products, and I'm just trying to figure out as I go how to utilize these containers, how to pack them in the drawers, and what to put in what. That's the biggest size in the set, and I'm putting some two in this drawer. This is the biggest drawer on the vanity. And here I'm also going to be adding eye products like my glitters, my gems, and of course my eyeshadow palettes. All my eyeshadows will be going in this drawer. I do have some makeup brushes to the side because I'm trying to utilize the space as much as I can. So here I'm putting in all my concealers. That's drawer number 2 on the left, and then my primers. So face primers and concealers. I guess it's the face prep that's in this drawer. I have mattifying primers, pore filling, and also um, primers for glowing skin. Onto drawer number 3 on the left side, I'm putting in some highlighters, blushes, powders. This drawer is for my powders. So there I have my banana powder, my RCMA powder. Yeah, more powders, more powders. I'm just stacking them all in this drawer. And I'm trying to be as organized as I can while trying to use up the little space I have. And some blushes as well. For the last drawer, I lost some of the footage of what I put in there, but I added some erase your face makeup removing cloth and some palettes like RCMA foundation palette. So this is what my vanity is looking like now that it's finished. I think it's pretty much organized and I know where to find my stuff. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And see, I'm showing you each drawer and what I have in each and how each one looks. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you for sticking around, staying with me while I organize, and let me know in the comments if I did a good job. Remember, all products that I use will be listed, not all my makeup products. I list as much products as I can in the description so I can help you guys out. Thank you so much. Bye.